Now we are going to see one leap year is equal to 366 days. February, it has 29 days. Generally 1 year is equal to 365 days. So February month, it has 28 days. So if 29 days for what? February month, we can consider as a what? Leap year. Generally February has 28 days. If 29 days come for February, we can consider that is a leap year. So example 2020 is a leap year. So how could you say it is a leap year? Because February has 29 days. 2020, it is going to divide it by 4. You can get what? 5020. Okay. Then after that you have to bring down 2. So after that compare with 2 and 4. What do you know this? 2 is less than 4. So you can't divide. So you have to put 0 again in the quotient place. Then you have to bring down 0. It is called as 20 again. 20 is greater than 4. It is now what? Now it can what? It is divided. It is 20. Now it is going to divide by 4. So it is what? It is eligible to divide. That is what. So it is enough to divide. Otherwise not eligible. It is enough to divide. So again you must use the fourth table. That is 5 4s are 20. So 20 minus 20, you can get what? 0. I'll repeat once again. 2020 is example. This number is going to divide by 4. You can get what? First you consider 2 and 4. 2 is smaller than 4. 2020, this number is a what? Dividend, and 4 is a divisor. So 2 is not what? It is enough to divide. 2 is not enough to divide by 4. So you can take the next number, that is 0. 20. 20 is going to divide it by 4. That means you must use the fourth table. 4 5s are 20. So you have to put 20 again. So 20 minus 20, you can get 0. So you must cancel the 0. You have to bring down 2. And 2 and 4 you have to compare. 2 what? Less than 4. So it is not enough to divide. So what you are going to do? So you have to bring down the 0. So before that you have to put 0 on the quotient place. After that you have to bring down the 0. So what you are going to do? So 20 again. So it is enough to divide. 20 is going to divide by 4. You can get 4 5s are 20. So the quotient is 505. The remainder is 0. So if the remainder is 0, it can consider as what? Leap year. If any number is come, okay, what is the year? Present year, that is 2022. Now it is 2022. 2022 is going to divide it by 4. If you get the remainder is 0, it is a leap year. And also simply you can understand, if the month, that is if February month has 29 days, if February month has 29 days, you have to consider what? This is a leap year. Otherwise it is not a leap year. So 2020 is the example of leap year. 2022 you have to divide by 4 again. So 5 4s are 20. So 20 minus, already I have told you the proper division. So 20 minus 20, you can get 0. You should not consider. So bring down 2, and 2 and 4 again you have to what? Compare. 2 is less than 4. It's not enough to divide. Again you have to bring down 2 here. So now it is 22. So you have to put what? 0 in the quotient place. 22 is going to divide it by 4. Compare with 22 and 4. 22 is greater than 4. So you must use the table. 22 is going to divide it by 4. You must use the fourth table again. 5 4s are 20. Again you have to subtract 2 minus 0, 2. So 2 is a remainder. I told you if the actually remainder when 0. If the remainder is 0, this year is a leap year. But the remainder is not a 0. Right? It is not a leap year. And also what? It has how many days? 28 days for this February month. For February, that means 2022 February month, it has only how many days? 28 days. So that you should not consider it is a leap year. So 29 days. So 29 days, if February month has 29 days, you have to consider it is a leap year. So 2022, that means this year is not a leap year. This year is not a leap year. Is this year is a leap year? No, this is not a leap year, because simply you can understand, because February month has only 28 days. If February month has 28 days, it is not a leap year. If February month has 29 days, it is a leap year. I think so. Understand the basic very clearly. Now we have to move on to the sums. Okay. And also January has 31 days and February has January 28 days and March has 31 days and April has 30 days, May has 31 days, June has 30 days, July, that is 6th month, that is 31 days. That is, again I'll tell you, January first month 31 days, second month February 28 days generally, but only leap year means 29 days. And third month March 31 days, fourth month April, that is 30 days, and fifth month May 31 days, sixth month June 30 days, seventh month July 31 days, eighth month August 31 days, ninth month September 30 days, and 10th month October 31 days, and 11th month November 30 days, and 12th month that is December, that is 31 days. Now we have to move on to the exercise. Exercise 10b, list the month with 30 days. What are the months? April. Look at this. What are the ones has 30 days? That is April and what? June. Next April, next June and September, then November. So these are the month. Month has 30 days. April and June, September and November. Look at the answer. April, June, September and November. So these month has what? 30 days. I'll repeat, list the months with 30 days means you have to what? Write the 30 days months. So what are the months has 30 days? That is April has 30 days, June has 30 days, and September has 30 days, and November has 30 days. So the answers are exactly right. Next, list the months with 31 days. What are the months has 31 days? Look at the months. 31 days, January, then March, next May, next July, next August, next October, next December. So these are the month has 31 days. Look at this answer. January, March, July, August, October and December. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So altogether 6 months. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So January and March, then what? January, March, May. So I didn't write May. You have to consider May also. This month also 31 days. That means it is not 6 months, it is 7 months. Okay. So January, March, May, July. That is January, March, May, July, then August, then October, December. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So January, March, July, August, October, December and May. So if you want to write, you have to write May year. Okay, you just rub it. Okay, so together 7 months. So here 30 months, April, June, September and November. That is, this only 4 months has 30 days. Give the months, that is 6 months after. 6 months after, so you have to find the exact month is given, July. So after 6 months, so what is the month you have to find? Okay, July is given. After July, that means after 6 months over July, what is the month will come? Okay, that means July. So you just say July means what? July, just left over July, just left out July. So August, September, October, November, December. Okay, how many months? That is 6 months after only, no? So July. So July is, give the month that is 6 months after. August, September, October, November, December. But only 5 months is given. But they given July. So it's not right. So July, it's not a right. I think so. July means you should not consider July. So after July only you have to consider. So give the month that is 6 months after means August, September, October, November, December. So including July means you have to get only 6 months, but they said 6 months after. So this is not correct. I think so it is June. So June means you should not consider what that particular month, July, August, September, October, November, December. So June means you have to write December. December is a right answer for this question. Next question, March. So you should not consider that particular month. The given month you should not consider. After that you have to count next 6 months. Okay. That means what is the month is given? March. Just left March, April, May, June, July, August. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means September is the right answer. I'll repeat once again. June means you should not consider June. After June only you have to consider. That means July, August, September, October, November and December. Here March you should not consider March. After March only you have to consider. That means April, May, June, July, August, September. September is the right answer. Give the month that is 5 months before. So before what 5 months? September as given. You have to consider before 5 months. So September is a month. So before 5 months means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you should not consider September, August, July, June, May and April. The answer is April. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. April is the answer. Okay, next what? June. Before June. Okay, you should not consider June. Where is June? You should not consider June before 5 months. May, April, March, Feb and January. So you should not consider what? June you should not consider. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So January is the right answer. Okay. Now I think so you understand the basic. Fill in the blanks 9 days after January 11. So January 11 after 9 days what is the day will come? So January 11 you should not consider January 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the answer is January 20. So you simply do one thing. You must add with 11 and 9. So 11 add with 9. You just 9 plus 1, 10 and the carryovers go to the top. 1 plus 1, 2. The answer is January 20. That is also you can do. This is addition. Okay, next. 4 days after April. What? 4 days after? 4 days after April 29. You should not consider April 29. That means April has 30 days. That means April 30 and what? May 1, May 2, May 3. The answer is May 3. Okay. May 3rd also you can write. Okay. Then 3 days before June 10. 3 days before June 10. Okay, that means you should not consider June 10. So you have to consider that is June 10 you should not consider, but they said 3 days before. That means that is subtraction. This is after means addition, before means subtraction. This is addition, sorry, after means adding and what? Before means subtraction. Before means subtraction. Okay. So before June 10 you should not consider. So June 9, June 8 and June 7. Answer is June 7. June 7. Okay. That's the right answer. Next. 8 days before July 22. 8 days before July 22. Before means I told you subtraction. So July 22 you should not consider. So before July 22 you have to what? Subtract 8 days. That means July, you start with July 21. July 21, July 20, July 19, then July 17, then July 16, July 15, July 14 and July 13. Okay, that means 22 minus 8. You have to consider. 22 minus 8, what will get? 12 minus 8, you can get 4 and 4. The answer is July 14. Okay, here June 10 Means 10 minus 3, you can get what? 7. 10 minus 3, you will always right. 10 minus 3, you can get what? 7. Answer is correct. So 29 means you must add what? 4 days. So 29 you should not consider. 30, 1, 2, 3. May 3rd is right answer. January 11, 11 plus 9 you must add, you can get 20. So this is the right answer for the question. See, give the months that is 6 months after. So first I have written July. After that I change June means you have to get December months after 6. Okay, after 6 months over you can get the month of December. So June, you just whatever the month is given you should not consider. You have to add the next month. That means June you should not consider. July, August, September, October, November, December is exactly right. So in such case I have written July. So I just want to give the one more example, because I have written July means I have written already July. So I just want to give the proper explanation for July also. Okay, so July means you should not consider the July month. You must count after that means you must count from the next month itself, but up to 6 months. That is what you have to count. So you should not consider July. You have to count you have to count from August, September, October, November, December and January. So January, after 6 months you will reach January month. So this is the right answer for the question.